Are you struggling with thick mucus in your lungs, a persistent cough that won't go away, or sinus congestion that makes it hard to breathe? What if I told you there's a powerful natural remedy sitting right in your kitchen that can break down that stubborn mucus and help you breathe freely again? Excess mucus in your respiratory system is more than just annoying. When mucus builds up in your lungs, sinuses, and throat, it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria. You can't sleep properly because of constant coughing. Your chest feels heavy and tight. Sinus pressure creates painful headaches. The flu leaves you drained and miserable. Simple tasks like talking or breathing deeply become exhausting. And here's what makes it worse. That thick, sticky mucus doesn't just sit there. It triggers more coughing, more inflammation, and more discomfort. Your nose stays blocked. Your sinuses feel like they're going to explode. Your throat feels scratchy. You might even develop a fever. Days turn into weeks, and you're still dealing with the same congestion, the same rattling cough, the same sinus pain, the same flu symptoms, the same difficulty breathing. But today, I'm going to show you a simple, 4-ingredient natural remedy that has been used for generations to thin mucus, clear sinuses, fight flu symptoms, support your respiratory system, and help you feel better faster. This remedy combines 4 powerful ingredients that work together to break down congestion and boost your body's natural defenses. Let's talk about why this recipe is so effective. First, honey. Honey is nature's cough suppressant. It coats your throat, reducing irritation and the urge to cough. But that's not all. Honey has natural antimicrobial properties that fight the bacteria and viruses causing your symptoms. Studies have shown that honey can be as effective as over-the-counter cough medications without any side effects. Second, lemon. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system when you need it most, especially when fighting the flu. The citric acid in lemon helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel from your lungs and sinuses. Lemon also alkalizes your body, creating an environment where viruses and bacteria struggle to survive. Third, garlic. This is your secret weapon. When you crush garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. Allicin has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps reduce inflammation in your airways and sinuses and can actually kill the pathogens causing your infection. Garlic is like a natural antibiotic working from the inside out. And finally, ginger. Ginger is a natural expectorant, meaning it helps loosen and expel mucus from your respiratory tract. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory that reduces swelling in your airways and sinus passages, making breathing easier. Ginger warms your body, improves circulation, and helps break up that stubborn chest congestion and sinus blockage. When you combine these 4 ingredients, you create a synergistic effect. Each ingredient enhances the others, giving you maximum relief from mucus, cough, flu, sinusitis, and congestion. Now let me show you exactly how to make this powerful remedy. You'll need 1 fresh lemon, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of fresh ginger about 3 centimeters or 1 inch long, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of raw, pure honey. Here's how to prepare it. Start by washing your ginger and grating it finely. You can also chop it into very small pieces. Next, peel and crush your garlic cloves. Crushing is important because it activates the allicin. Then cut your lemon in half and squeeze out all the juice. Make sure to remove any seeds. Get a clean glass jar with a lid. Add your grated ginger and crushed garlic to the jar. Pour in the fresh lemon juice. Add your honey and mix everything together thoroughly. You want all the ingredients well combined. Close the jar and let it sit for at least 4 hours. For best results, let it rest overnight in your refrigerator. This allows all the beneficial compounds to infuse together. After resting, you can strain the mixture through a fine mesh if you prefer a smooth consistency, or leave it chunky for more potency. To use this remedy effectively, take 1 tablespoon of this mixture 2 to 3 times per day. You can take it straight, which gives you the strongest effect, or you can mix it into a cup of warm water and drink it as a tea. For best results, take 1 dose in the morning on an empty stomach, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 before bed. Within 24 to 48 hours, you should notice your mucus becoming thinner and easier to cough up. Your breathing should feel clearer, your sinuses should start draining, and your cough should start to reduce. If you don't see improvement within 1 week, or if your symptoms get worse, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional. A few important notes. Do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. If you have stomach ulcers or acid reflux, consume this remedy with food rather than on an empty stomach. If you're on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before using this remedy regularly, as garlic and ginger can affect blood clotting. This natural remedy has helped countless people find relief from respiratory congestion, sinusitis, flu, and stubborn coughs. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone who's struggling with these symptoms. They'll thank you for it. Stay healthy and breathe easy.